I'm not your normal homesteader. I'm not out here because I want to grow organic food. Shit hit the fan. I bugged out. It's the end of the world and I feel fine, motherfucker. Chiggers Keep, what's up? Big old windstorm, check it out. Boy, the wind is blowing tonight. It's, I don't know, 1:30 in the morning. I've been up for about an hour. Kind of freaked out over the wind. You can see this mirror moving the most, but this wall over here keeps breathing. The ceiling keeps breathing. That's kind of my own fault on the construction. Hopefully the roof will hold on better than these foam panels. Oh man. Just wanted to calm down. It's freaking me out. Oh boy. Alright, YouTube had a crazy windstorm last night. Still a little breezy. I pulled my Jeep around in the middle of the night. And it's got a bunch of cactus here on the tire. It's not showing you the stuff in the dark. There's more up there. Let's see what cactus did I hit. It's over here. I've been trying to save it for a long time. Yeah, I pulled right through that, I guess. Just as well, I want to get rid of all these cactuses now. Let's see what my other tire looks like. Well, definitely a little bit of a snowstorm. Oh yeah, even my shed's all plastered in snow. Interesting. And dripping. Well, it looks like it's just that one tire. I don't think I lost air. Let's take a look at it again. This is so much. I don't even know how to get that off. I'm gonna have to get a stick and push it off or something, but yeah, hopefully I don't imagine those things would make it all the way through, but holy crap. They call that the jumping cactus because it grabs onto stuff and then goes with you. Just, my place is a mess from me. I took it apart and laid this stuff out. Yeah, that wind last night was freaking terrible. My roof looks fine. Shedding water on the side it's supposed to shed water on. Put my Jeep there to block some wind. I don't know if it helped. I feel like it did a little bit. Jeez. Alright guys. Yeah, weather. That's some real off-grid stuff. That wind blowing on my shed. I was worried I was just going to rip that roof off last night, so thank goodness. Well, I got to get to town.